welcome back to my channel. Did you know that you can carry a lot of analysis using Excel? If you did not know, kindly know it today. So today video we are going to look at regression analysis using Excel. So the first step is to ensure that you have data analysis icon in your Excel. And where do you locate it? You locate it in data. And in case you don't have it, you can add it by going to the file, and then you go to more options, add-ins, and then you can click analysis toolpack. So I don't want to click it because already I have data analysis icon in my Excel. So what is the next step is to carry out the analysis. And how do you do it? You go to data analysis icon, you click it, and then if it was not selected, you're supposed to click here to select it. So let's say, for example, it was my cursor was here in the rank and percentile. I'm going to click the regression because we have said that this video is about regression analysis, and then you click OK so that you have the window where you are going to put your variables. So when you click OK, you are going to have regression window where you have the input, and the first input we have is input y range, where you are going to put your dependent variable, and then you have the input x range where you are going to have your independent variable, and then you have the labels, confidence level, and then you have where you are supposed to click for your output to be displayed, and then you have residuals, normal probability. So let's go. So for our input y range, we are going to use yield at in tons. So we are going to click here and then shift control button, and then for our x range or the independent variable, we are going to have the font size. So you're going to click here, shift control, and then we are going to have our labels. Confidence levels, it is going to be 95%, constant is 0, and then our output, I want it to be here, and then we should click residuals, standardized residuals, and then we have residual plots, line fit plots, and then normality, and then we click OK, and then we wait for our output to be displayed. So let's see. So we have our output. We have our output here. So we have our the R square 0.9, adjusted R is that 0.93, standard error. Then we had that observation or entries, and then we have the ANOVA table. So the ANOVA table, we have regression and then residual. So you have here, and then let me adjust this one so that we can see the significant, and then we have our plots here. So we have sorry for that. So we have our plots here, which has been displayed. So we have our normal probability plot, the farm size acre line fit plot, then we have this other plot, which is farm size acres residual plot. So that's how you can conduct regression analysis using Excel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it has educated you.